What's up, guys? New YouTube channel starting off here, so just mash that subscribe button and click like, because you're gonna love what you see. Just don't criticize too heavily. So I already have a project to do on this channel. We got a boat. It was pretty cheap from Copart, 900 bucks, but holy crap, it was quite a process getting it here. So I finally have it here and can't wait to check it. Okay, let's go outside and check it out. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, we're going to have a hell of a fun time. The driveway's all iced up. We're going to somehow have to get it up here, stick it in there. Okay, well, let's hope I don't have to wait for this to all thaw out, because the ice is pretty thick out here, so let's hope we can get it up. Here it is. Oh yes, this big thing. I'm gonna have to get it up and oot na boot right up the driveway over there. Got the tractor, but it's still kind of does some slippy slidey stuff. Had a really fun time just dragging it up this little slope, so that big one's gonna be fun. Actually, it might not be so big in comparison to some other boats. Focus, damn it. How long is it gonna take you to focus? Okay, anyways, yeah, not sure if this all that big, but it is pretty heavy at 2,100 pounds of the boat itself, plus the trailer. For a driveway like that, fingers crossed, let's see what happens. So close! No! Oh man, so close. Oh, almost got it up there, like almost, and it got stuck. Okay, so now that I got the boat up there, woohoo! Chewed up half the ice. Half ice was like 2 inches thick. We got this big thing, so let's explore it. Haven't had a good look through it yet, so I'll do that right now. Trailer, let's see. Trailer's obviously missing a fender, as you may have noticed already. Have to get a new one of those. That's a project right there. The outdrive, either it's stuck or the steering's good. Don't know. I'll have to have a look at it. Prop shaft doesn't seem to be too noisy. This thing doesn't really shake too much. It might be jammed in there or in the bottom there because it's sat for a while, or it might be really good. Let's hope it's really good. So, what the hell is this? Oh, that's the swim ladder there. Let's jump in. Okay, so overall inside looks pretty good. Seat has a rip. Otherwise all the seats are pretty good. I think I'll use some spray 9 or something to get all the mildew off. And let's go in the front here. Oh, let me get these clamps loose. So, that's the cover for the top of the boat. Over here, that goes onto the frame rails in the back there. Stick that there. Let's see what's inside here. Treasure.
Let's look for treasure.
There's wonderful times.
It sure is. Let's look for treasure.
Yes, let's look for treasure.
Okay. Oh, we have life jackets. No way. No way did we get a life jacket. Or what the hell is this? Don't know. Right in the comment section down below what the hell this thing is. Oh, let's see what we got here. An empty fishing box. You get all kinds of crap with these boats. Everything random and anything random. And unfortunately it's absolutely empty, so wait, what? Is it a 2-layer box? Gee. Still empty. That's about it there. Stick that in there. Not so much. A screw. This boat needs a good cleaning. Rebuild project. Yeah, darn. Rebuild project. What did I rebuild here? Or what am I gonna rebuild? Nothing. Oh, let's hope I don't have to swap the motor out. Okay, under in the nose here. Absolutely nothing. Carpet seems pretty good for an auction boat. So, I don't think I'll be replacing that. It doesn't need a good cleaning though. So. Anything in there? I don't know. I don't want. Ugh. I can't hold one with one hand and whatever. Okay. Oh yes. Oh yes. Got a flare gun over here. Let's see what it is. Bah, 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 bah. Actually, this thing is for emergencies only. We got some flare chutes. Stick that back in there. It's always fun exploring these new bought boats. Okay, stick that back in there. Overall, the plywood seems pretty solid. That's what you're most concerned about, or that's what I am most concerned about when buying boats and stuff. So I've already looked under the seats. There's nothing in there really. This guy here, faceplate's broken off. I'll have to get a new one. Cigarette lighter port. Yeah, I did find the cigarette lighter. Let's see what's in here. Oh yes, treasure. What the hell is this? Oh, Sony. Oh yes, does that go in there? Let's see. Oh yes. Oh yes, look at that. This thing is brand new and it goes right in there. Let's check it out. That's okay. I'll keep that in the case so it'll still stay brand new. Okay, stick that back in there. Let's see. Some kind of random caps, a wire brush, a pen. Always never forget the pen, guys. Fuel filter. Kind of screwy thingies. I wonder what these are for. Write in the comments section down below what they are. Okay. Underneath here, the wood seems pretty solid. The floor seems alright. It is a bit soft over here, which is a problem, so definitely have to fix that, so that's something to do. I've already taken the battery out, set it to charge, so we'll see in what health that is. Yes, it's a mess right now. This framework here seems pretty good. Let's slide this back and see the main part. Oh yes, here's our engine. So I got it with this hose disconnected. Don't know what that means. You can smell a little bit of gas. Trim pump is right there. Fluid seems alright in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's black. It doesn't seem to be white. When it's milky, let me try stick the camera in there. Don't know, guys, if you could see that, but that's that. And manifold, we are getting a bit of rust. When I got it, the cover was off the motor, so it has surface rust. Surface rust. That little guy. Make sure you drain that. Make sure you drain the water from your motor, unless it goes crack. I'll tell you why in a later video. And I'll tell you the importance of having it. Let's see. Alrighty ho. Wait, what? Is this a digital distributorless system? No way. Really? Is it? I hope it is. That would be so awesome. See, starter down there. It's a marine starter. Let's check the oil. Okay, so the oil. Damn, it's so shiny out here. So, the oil seems like a dark amber color. Doesn't smell like gas or anything. Main thing, it does not have any water in it, so I am hoping, fingers crossed, that this thing does not have a cracked anchor motor here. Oil filter down there. We got a fuel tank under the floor there. Last boat I had, we had the fuel tank right in here. Steering, meh, looks average. That is all rusty, and that's not good. Ignition timing. 1 degree after top dead center? What the crap? Usually you fire your spark plug before the piston gets to the top, so the max combustion is when it's at the top. Some motors have like really far back, like really a lot before, even like the more high performance engines. But the aim is to get the spark plugs to fire as early as possible without detonation, which is when the fuel charge fires and slams the piston down when it's moving up in the compression stroke. That wrecks the engine. But usually you'd fire it before still to get like the max combustion when it just starts moving down. And over here it's after top dead center, which is, I find that a bit weird. You know what, I'll have a look in there. Get me a wrench. Oh yes, get a wrench in. Okay, let's take it off. Let's see what's inside there. Get this little ghetto. You know what, we'll just leave it over there. And let's have a look. Okay, so there's our choke plate. That might need a little bit of lubricant later. Can't really see down the carb throat. That down there is a bit of water, so that's not good. All the carbs does seem pretty clean. Yeah. So, well, we'll be able to actually find out what it's like when we actually put it together. Try to give it a start. Well, that was pretty interesting. I think I'll be doing a video on pressure testing your motor to check it for cracks. So that's definitely something you want to see now with spring coming and the boat buying season starting up. So if you want to be able to check for a cracked motor, I'll show you how I do that in the next video. And then the video after that, I'll be starting the motor up, and definitely stay tuned for that, because that's always exciting. I wonder if it will work. Will it work? Anyways, click subscribe and like if you like what you saw. More videos coming up soon. Stay tuned.